Hello YouTube, and if anybody notices anything, we hung as many flags as we could get up. There's a lot of flags that we were not able to get up on the wall, but Eddie and I figured, being Memorial Day, let's just get the flags up, and we're going to go ahead and shoot a little video. We're going to cut up a couple pieces of pine here, as we don't want anybody to be disappointed on Memorial Day. Where's my sawing video?
Our most important flags are out front there.
Yes, the American
Flag
and POW. Then we got to get that state flag, that bracket snapped off. We got to get that back up. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and fire up the bus motor here, and we got a couple pines on the mill here, and we're going to go ahead and get them sawed up, give you a little bit of video. But okay, Tony, there it is. Tony Misfield, I think is your name. He always comments about his flag, and now it's up on the wall. And we just at random picked them, and we got next to the Ohio flag. You'll see it in the video. We put the, I believe it was Australia.
Australia?
Yeah, so, okay.
We'll get more up.
Let's get moving here, Eddie.
All right, let's get her done.
All right. Let's get this show started. And it is Memorial Day, and I'm off, Eddie's off, so you gotta work in order to get anything done. So unfortunately we're working, but we're gonna have some time to have a little bit of enjoyment today. So we got more one by another customer wants another 100 pieces, and we're not going to get that all done today, but so we'll get this log up to us here, and we'll get her hacked up here. I got a couple of small logs on here. One's decent, a little naughty. Looking to take off a little bit of nasty there. Yeah, why not? Everybody likes Master Dog. Let's give him a little bit of show time here. And yes, I got to adjust the laser. I do know about that. So, alrighty, let's start opening this thing up. Trying to get some 1x8, so that's why I'm trying to get just a big enough face on here to edge the board out. 8 inches. And the reason we saw it this way is I will get 2 parallel faces that will be 8 inches. And then we can pull 1x8 off. So that'll get edged down as one board there. And there we go. I think I'm going to try to get a flat side on there. Normally what I would not do, but you can see them sticking down there. They're going to cause me some grief. So I'm going to go ahead and, oh wait, maybe not. Let's see what happens. Might just go with that. All right. I'm surprised it sat so well. Sometimes you try to predict what it's going to do, and Eddie's having troubles with the chop saw. It's acting up this morning on us. The old chop saw says nope. Oh well. But they get temperamental. And again, we'd like to thank everybody in the service, and hopefully everybody is safe that's serving right now. And I look at it as anybody that is in a public service, whether it be firefighter, EMS, police, anybody that makes our civilized life possible. I thank each and every one of you. And I had a comment from Mr. Todd Brown. How are you doing, sir? I believe you were Navy. And Mr. Louis McNeely, retired veteran. I must have to make a list someday of how many people on this channel that served, and I don't know if this thing's going to fall over. We're going to find out. Sometimes they just flip right over on you. That looks okay. Let's open her or finish this face off. Now we get some one by him. Give Eddie a minute to get caught up once we run this down. Turn that in. That is center. That's your pith wood, your heartwood, whatever you want to call it. I'd rather leave that on the carriage. I'm going to try to pull up here a little bit, see if I can get that to slide back, or I can dog that last one down a little bit. The old slider down routine here. Nah, don't want to work. I'm not that worried about it. We got a good hold on her. It's not going nowhere. All right, that'll work. her down there. Dog board. Good enough. All right, let's go get our last log. Should be about where we need it. And I'm just going to go with that. That is a round log. Don't get too many like that. Well, I'm going to cant this down to 8 inches. Give Eddie a minute here. That's a little nasty. I'm going to take another little sliver off of there. All right, let's take the other side down to 8 inches. Tell you what, I need to take a little bit more off to get to our 8 inches. I'm going to go back one more time on another face because it had a little bit of, it wasn't so purty. We're going to make it purty. How's that sound? Now it'll be purty. Alright, let's pull it up here, look at our scale. Go down to 8 inches. There we go. Now we can start pulling off one by it. Lay her down. Come on, get on there. Yeah, that log was borderline, but it's looking better the further we go in it. That's why we're selling this so cheap, $4 a piece. I mean, it's not great stuff, but you're not going to go to Lowe's and Depot and get that for $4. Yeah, find some 1x8 pine. finish this off. I'm gonna take this stuff. It did yield a few good boards. See, now that's looking good there. I don't know if we'll get a, yep. Alrighty, we'll let you go here. We'll talk to you in a minute. Alrighty, well, we got your little sawing video here anyway. And I'll tell you what,
That's nice spruce.
really wasn't bad for how long them logs sat. But yeah, she's sure sawing good today. We're gonna have to give it a solid little edge. But here's what I was talking about. When you get down to that center, the pith or heartwood, whatever you want to call it, this is what happens. This is why we throw it away or throw it into some sort of 2x material, because that is, hardwood's the same way.
On a Doyle scale, you should end up with 5 by 5 inches thrown away.
Yeah,
on any
that's,
tree.
it's figured out that way. It's figured as waste, and that's just the way you saw. And the reason I saw the two sides parallel is because I wanted 1 by 8. And once I get it to the 8 inches, then I can go ahead and just start running boards off instead of just doing all kind of crazy sawing straight through it, and
Yeah.
but yeah, that sometimes it just gets that way.
Oh, well, we got something done today.
Yep. All right. Thank everybody. Happy Memorial Day.
Get your
And,
friends to subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe to our channel. I think we're at
Over 40,000.
40.4 this morning. 40,400
Or
subscribers.
50,000 goal.
50,000 is closing in, so let's get her done. Let's just get her done. So, hey, happy Memorial Day again, and thank
you.
everybody for all your service and dedication. And we will talk to you on Friday Eve. Bye-bye.